In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Prezi for beginners. Prezi is a dynamic presentation tool that allows you to create visually engaging presentations with ease, and I'm excited to guide you through the basic steps to get started. To begin with, you'll need to log into your Prezi account and head straight to your dashboard. This is your main hub where you can access all your past presentations and where you'll begin new projects. Once you're on your dashboard, click on Create from Template. This is going to be your kickoff point for generating a new presentation. Prezi provides a variety of templates that cater to different themes and topics, so you have plenty of options to choose from. Take your time to browse through these templates and choose one that best fits your topic. If you're discussing a business plan, there's a template for that. Educating a class? There's a perfect match for that too. Once you've selected a template, you'll be able to dive into the fun part, personalizing it. You can click directly on the elements within the canvas to edit the text. Typing in your own words where the template offers placeholders is straightforward. To truly make the presentation your own, you can replace images as well. Just click on any image within the template, and you'll get options to upload your own images or choose from their library. As you personalize your presentation, you'll notice a panel on the left side of your screen. This panel is your map and makes navigating your presentation much easier. Here, you can jump between topics, subtopics, and frames. This structure lets you organize your presentation logically, making it easier for your audience to follow along. A unique feature of Prezi is its zoom functionality. This lets you adjust the zoom and position of each frame. Not only can you control what your audience sees, but you can also determine how they see it, creating a truly immersive experience. It's worthwhile to play around with the zoom settings to see how they affect the flow of information. Make sure each important point is focused and easily visible. Once you've inputted all your information and are satisfied with your revisions and layout, it's a good idea to preview your work. You can do this by clicking Present. This lets you see your presentation in action and ensures everything looks and flows well before you're ready to share it with your audience. Take this time to catch any small details or final adjustments you might want to make. And that's how you use Prezi for beginners. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're now more confident to create your own engaging presentations. With practice, you'll become more adept at leveraging all the features Prezi offers. Thank you for watching, and happy presenting.